Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting unboxing. I ordered a cover for my COMMIT30 from HandStitchedLeatherT. Carrie over at I Heart to Plan was a big inspiration for this purchase because she showed that the COMMIT30 fit in here as well as a Hobonichi cousin. And my thought process on ordering this cover was that, well, I don't really have an A5 cover, a leather one, besides this Coach that I currently have my COMMIT30 in. And I wanted one, well, this A can only fit for so long before, like, it's already kind of putting stress on the button. So it's good for, like, while your planner's, like, slim. But I wanted one that would work as like my planner grows, and it's so her showing that the Hobonichi cousin also fits in here, I figured this would be a good A5 planner cover to just have for all of my A5 needs. So I did go ahead and purchase. I don't know how I'll like it, so you know, this is contingent on how I feel about the cover, but I figured it would be a pretty easy resale if I don't end up liking it. The leather I wanted, everyone I feel like has. It's the light tobacco, but they no longer carry it. And so I grabbed like the closest one that I felt like looked like that, which the owners of HandStitchedLeatherT kind of showed a comparison from that leather to this one. I got the amber, which is a new one. But since I purchased, they actually came out with a new Texas tobacco that I'm kind of intrigued by. And I also have some like sample leathers in here, so we can kind of see and how I feel about it. And if I want the Texas tobacco, I can try and resell this and order that one. But let's kind of just dive in. It's actually kind of funny. This has been sitting in my mailbox for 2 days now, and I didn't even know that it was delivered. This is really hard to open. Like, I never got notified it was delivered, so it's just been sitting there. Okay. So yeah. Oh, this is really pretty. So, I wonder what kind of leather that is. Here is my cover. I really like this bag that it was sent in. Okay, this is really pretty. So I added the back pocket, and then I did get the chunky clasp, and then here are the samples. And then as far as, that's really nice, it has an overpowering leather smell. So yeah, like I said, I got the amber. I also have a ton of samples. Oh my goodness. Let's kind of see. Dear Mariyea, we just want to say thank you. So that's really nice. And then this is a key fob holder. I don't know if I'll use it, but that was a nice freebie. Oh, cool. So they have all of the names on here. So this one is the Camello, which is one that I was contemplating getting. This is the new, oh, that is so soft. So this is the new Texas tobacco, which honestly, if you're looking at this, there's pretty much like no difference. But this inside is really soft. It's a little softer than the inside of this one. Let's see. Yep, this is the amber that I have. pecan. There was one that I was also, this one. I'm really glad I didn't get this one. This is the deer. And I was contemplating getting this, but I do not like that color. This was another one I was contemplating, which is a little lighter. Yeah, this is a ton. So, these samples are actually free, with purchase. If you wanted to get just a sample, like samples, she just makes you pay shipping. But I think I'm actually really happy with the leather I chose. I was also contemplating this light mustard, but again, I'm happy with the one I chose. So yeah, that's a lot of samples. This is a cute, like, little tag. Yeah, looking at these in person, there is zero reason to order a new cover to get the Texas Tobacco, because this is the exact color. So, okay, that makes me happy. Now let's move over. So, I did get a secretarial pocket over here. And then I got the, oh, what was this called? Slip pocket. And then I also got a pen loop added up here. Above the belt is what it was called. So, yeah, let's move in. I'm not going to do a flip of this quite yet. This is literally just me moving over. I will do a setup video of that coming up soon. So, I just wanted to get this going. But yeah, this, if you are interested in the COMMIT30 and you're not going to, like, expand it much with a lot of, stickers and things, this is a really good cover because it fits perfectly. Oh, this leather smell. I don't know, it's not like, it's just really overpowering. Alright, so I have been slipping this in the back, and I think this slip pocket is perfect. This is my, what is this, Coffee Monsters Co. A5 folder, and then I have a whole bunch of stickers in here. These are some journaling kits I got from Planner Monkey Co. This set I got off of Amazon. It came with this file folder type, like the plastic cover folder thing. I just have it banded to my folder. And then it also came with a brown craft folder, so I really like having that in there. And that slip pocket in the back works perfectly. And then let's see. I actually want to take this out for a minute to kind of see dimension wise. Yeah, so you get a little bit of room top and bottom for that. So I feel like most A5 covers or planners will fit in here nicely. I love their little HSLT embossing there. Perfect. And then I've been kind of using this. I kind of mentioned in my last video I hadn't been using my rings very much, and it's because I've been using this little pad to just write down what's going on throughout my day. But here's a quick little peek. I did share this on my Instagram at my last week in here. It was spring break, and that's why I kind of started it this week. I wanted our spring break trip to be in here because we went to Chicago, and that was really fun. But yeah, let's see how... I also carry this sticker book, which actually would fit in here. That's kind of crazy, but I'm not going to carry that. So it has that little loop, and you can tighten it, so that's really nice. And it does have that back pocket, so yeah, that feels good. It feels like it'll mold to my planner and my inserts in there. It is kind of like, it does have some space there, but yeah, there's my new cover. I'm really happy and excited to have this in. So now as my planner grows, the cover will expand with it, which is really nice. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon with another one. Bye for now, guys.